Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.
Hi, this is Charmaine, and welcome to Motivation Minute. Are you having some difficulty sleeping? Yung tipong kahit anong gawin mo ay hindi ka agad makatulog? Today, let me share with you 3 things that can help us have a good sleep. Think of your bed, B-E-D. The first thing to remember is B. Bow out from your day. Napansin mo ba? Work never ends, kaya tigil ka muna. Ano man ang mga nagawa mo o hindi mo nagawa sa buong araw na nagdaan, isa lang ang sigurado, kailangan mo munang tumigil. The remaining time for this day calls for your body to rest. Matthew 6:34 says, "Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." Kaya rest ka muna so you will have renewed strength for tomorrow. The next is E. Eliminate distractions. Why? Kasi mas maraming istorbo, mas mahirap makatulog. Do not bring the stress of your work in your bedroom. Lagi ring paalala sa atin na ilayo ang cellphone para mapahinga hindi lang ang mata kundi pati ang puso't isip. Also check the setup of your bedroom because it greatly affects the quality of your sleep. You may need to rearrange or repaint or invest on having soft pillows. It all depends on you how to make your room more sleep-friendly. Remember, sleep is not a waste of time. It's a gift from God that He wants us to really enjoy. And the last is D. Depend on God's presence. I remember David's story in the Bible when he was surrounded by enemies. He had every reason to worry, to fear, to panic. But this is what he said in Psalm 4:8. "I will lie down and sleep in peace, for you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety." That exactly is my declaration for all of us today. Enjoy your bed and have a sweet sleep tonight. This is Charmaine, and see you again next time here on Motivation Minute.
Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.